We live in a world that is digitally transforming around us. Every day, we witness a seismic force of fresh innovation and unprecedented disruption of traditional industries. 24/7, we are surrounded by digital experiences. And in this brave new world, bad or even mediocre digital experiences are very costly. That's why proactively observing everything that affects a user's digital experience is more important than ever. But that's really difficult. To understand why, let's dissect how a typical session unfolds. A user wants to access an app that is hosted in a data center. That means establishing a connection over the internet between their computer and the application servers. That involves traversing the user's ISP to a backbone transit provider, to the data center, and finally to the server. Except it isn't just a single backbone. Through peering agreements, the backbone providers routinely hand off traffic to other backbone providers, creating a complex path. But it is even more nuanced and complex than that. There are requests for domain resolution to DNS servers to resolve addresses. There is content or services delivered by CDNs, security, and any number of other third-party services. By the time we're done, there are a dizzying array of connections and requests to hundreds of services, none of which are controlled by you. And that's why gaining full visibility of your user's digital experience is so difficult. All of these services have a direct impact on your user's experience. But traditional enterprise monitoring solutions are blind to this complexity, and most of them are incapable of measuring the most important part, the digital user experience. They can see your local area network, your physical data center infrastructure, and, with application performance monitoring, even your application code. But they are blind to everything in between. And in today's world, almost everything that matters lives in those blind spots. To be effective, you have to proactively observe everything and from everywhere, leaving no blind spots. Catchpoint can help. Catchpoint's digital experience observability platform collects crucial data from every point in your application delivery chain. We start by gathering data from our global network with more than 900 locations in 245 cities across 86 countries. These locations act like mystery shoppers that continually probe all your apps and services, keeping very close tabs on user experience, availability, performance, and reliability. What's crucial is that our global locations are distributed across the digital delivery path, into which traditional tools are blind. Catchpoint connects to premier data centers on networks your traffic is most likely to traverse in every major city worldwide. We critically monitor from hundreds of backbone, broadband, cloud, wireless network, and last-mile locations, connected to top-tier ISPs, and not cheap providers no one has ever heard of. We augment this by extending our reach to your enterprise locations and all the way into the browsers and devices of your customers and employees. This proactive approach lets you spot problems as they develop, before users are impacted. Catchpoint collects and analyzes its vast data and turns it into actionable insights that help your business ensure your users enjoy the very best digital experiences possible. In summary, Catchpoint can help you measure and exceed your digital transformation goals by observing customer experience, employee experience, performance of all networks, and performance of all your digital apps and services. Catchpoint, because the experience is the point.